Welcome back, I'm Ron the Cook. Today we're gonna be working with the amazing vegetable that is okra. I love all vegetables, and I can say this about most of them, which is, this is my favorite one, this is my favorite one. But okra truly has a special place in my heart because I grew up eating it, my grandmother cooking it throughout summer. Okra is a beautiful vegetable that has a very high nutritional value. Contrary to what it looks like, it is very high in vitamin C, antioxidants, anti-inflammatories, B vitamins, iron, and calcium. And it tastes phenomenal. Today I'm gonna make okra in garlic sauce. We're gonna start with a pound of okra. Any ugly bits, just cut it off. Okra is prone to bruising and growing mold very quickly. Cut the root end off, cut these into 3/4 to 1 inch pieces. Next up, our garlic. We're gonna give it a nice smash and just give it a chop. Since this is gonna be okra and garlic sauce, we want nice big chunks of garlic, but not too thick. We want them to cook down and become soft, but we still need that bite of the garlic. All of our mise en place ready, so let's get it into our pan. Right, we're gonna start in our cold pan. We're gonna do 1 tablespoon canola oil, 1 tablespoon sesame oil. We're gonna dump in our garlic. It's 10 cloves of chopped garlic. And get our heat up to a low simmer, about 225 degrees. Really wanna flavor our oil. I love how quickly the hex-clad pan gets hot on my induction burner from Breville. Links to both in the description below. So we're gonna let this simmer just until we start to get some nice color on it. All right, our garlic's starting to get some color on it. We're gonna dump in all of our okra. Now we're gonna turn the heat up to 300 degrees. Give it a toss. If you absolutely have to use frozen, you can. Just make sure you drain off all the liquid from the bag. We're gonna let this cook for about 5 minutes. Give it a stir here and there. Make sure that the garlic's not burning and that your okra is getting some color on all sides. Now it's starting to get some nice color on all of our okra. We're gonna add in 1 tablespoon of ginger puree. Give that a stir. Then we're gonna add 2 ounces of soy sauce. 1 ounce oyster sauce. 1 ounce rice wine vinegar, seasoned. And 1 teaspoon of chili flake. Just give that a stir. Let that all cook down. And now we're gonna turn our heat back down to 200 degrees, just below a boil. So we have a nice real low simmer. Now we're just gonna let this stew down until all of our liquid becomes nice and thick. It's gonna be about 10 minutes. And done, our sauce has thickened up nicely. It's coated all of our okra. Now we're gonna add in 1 teaspoon of crushed sesame seeds. Give that a toss. Let's get this on our plate. Now we're gonna take another teaspoon or so of our crushed sesame and put them on top for a little garnish. Our okra and garlic sauce. Oh yeah. Okra is an amazing vegetable in a way that no matter what you put on it, no matter how pungent of an ingredient or spice, whatever you put on the okra, the smell of the roasted okra or the sauteed okra comes through. You want it to be soft, but not mushy. A little bit of bite. Those okra seeds popping. Ooh. Just a little bit of spice from the crushed chili. Ton of garlic flavor. No other seasoning needed. That soy sauce, oyster sauce, the vinegar, all those combined together to give you this beautiful, unctuous, salty. Honestly, this okra on its own, just over some rice, that sounds like a perfect afternoon meal. If you want to check out some of my cocktail videos, click right here. If you want to check out some of my food videos, click up here. Until next time, I'm Ron the Cook.